What if I told you your subconscious mind is quietly controlling your success every single day? The way you think about money, success, and yourself can decide whether you grow financially or stay stuck. Most people work hard for money, but successful people first train their mind. Because before wealth appears in your bank account, it first appears in your subconscious mind. Today you'll learn how to use the hidden power of your mind to attract wealth, confidence, and success. Your subconscious mind is like an invisible program running in the background. It stores beliefs, habits, emotions, fears, and repeated thoughts. And the scary part is, most people are controlled by programs they never consciously created. If someone grows up hearing money is hard to earn, rich people are selfish, success is impossible, their subconscious mind accepts it as truth. Then without realizing it, they start acting according to those beliefs. Your subconscious always tries to make your outer life match your inner beliefs. Every successful person first changes their mindset, because thoughts become actions, and repeated actions become your future. If your subconscious says, "I'm not capable," you avoid opportunities. If your subconscious says, "I can improve," you take action with confidence. Your mind is like fertile soil. Whatever you plant repeatedly, fear or confidence, scarcity or abundance, will grow. That's why negative self-talk is dangerous, because your subconscious is always listening. One powerful way to influence the subconscious mind is visualization. Successful athletes use it. Entrepreneurs use it. Top performers use it. Before sleeping or after waking up, close your eyes and imagine your successful future, your dream lifestyle, your goals already achieved. Feel the emotions deeply. Your brain cannot fully distinguish intense imagination from reality. And slowly, your subconscious begins believing, "This is possible for me." That belief changes your behavior, and behavior changes your life. Your subconscious learns through repetition. That's why affirmations can be powerful. Not magic, but mental conditioning. Every day repeat, "I am improving every day. I attract opportunities. I am capable of success. Money flows through value and hard work." At first, it may feel fake, but over time, repeated thoughts become beliefs, and beliefs influence decisions, confidence, and actions. Your mind becomes what it repeatedly hears. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They only dream, but the subconscious mind works best with action. You cannot visualize success while avoiding effort. Wealth grows when mindset, discipline, learning, and action work together. The subconscious mind is not magic. It's a tool. It helps you notice opportunities, stay motivated, and act with confidence. But you still must do the work. Be careful what you consume daily. Your environment programs your mind. Negative people, constant complaining, fear-based content can slowly shape your subconscious. Protect your mental environment. Read better books. Watch positive content. Learn valuable skills. Spend time with growth-minded people, because your subconscious becomes the reflection of what you feed it every day. Your life changes the moment your subconscious mind changes. Wealth starts with thoughts. Thoughts create actions. Actions create results. So train your mind carefully. Believe bigger. Think smarter. Act consistently. And remember, your subconscious mind is always working. The question is it working for your success or against it? If this video inspired you, subscribe to Relax Brain for more psychology and self-growth content. And comment below, what belief are you changing from